Hi, this is Sonia with Artsy Solutions, and welcome to day 33, 34, and 35 of the Essence of Time. And it's hosted by Vera of Spilled Coffee Crafts. And basically, it's a 100-day challenge where if you only had 10 minutes, you would see what all you could do. So, the last thing we did was we made these little pockets. And I was glad to be able to get it done because I had issues, but I think my issues are finally resolved. So today, or these next 3 sessions, I think I want to do some mixed media. So what I'm going to do is, because I'm going to be making some tags, but I want these tags to have some textures to them. So basically what I've done is I've got some stuff that I'm going to collage on here. I'm going to be painting it white, so there's no point in me using this right yet. I'm going to use that napkin eventually. All right, so I've got my, what do you call it? My base cover pages, or background pages that I'm going to be using to, what do you call these? Where it catches your paint and stuff. Whatever, I forgot what it's called. So I've got that, and then I'm just going to take one of these, just a random magazine page out of here. I was hoping, yeah, I'm going to find like an advertisement page or like a page like this that doesn't matter if it gets covered up. And I think I might do 2 of them. That way I can have extra stuff. Anyway, okay, so we're going to be first obviously gluing on or decoupaging some of our bits and pieces of stuff, and I want to make some textures out of it too, in addition to the textures that I'm going to be getting from all these scraps, because I'm going to be using strings and stuff like that. And I've got this bubble wrap, and I don't know what I just did with it. Anyway, I had another piece of paper, like plastic, that had like a print that I was going to try to get off of it, but it's not the end of the world. All right, we've got this right here. So to start off, I'm just going to do obviously 1 page at a time. And I'm going to, I really don't need the page protector right now because I'm just going to be, well, yeah, I could, because I'm going to, no, because then I'm going to glue these together as one big unit. So basically what I'm going to do, let me move this out the way. When I paint it, I'll use that, but for right now, I don't need to. What I need to do is I need to connect these 2 papers, these 2 pages with some, oh, let me start. I'll set it at 9 minutes instead of 10 because I've already started talking and whatever. So I'm going to combine these 2 pages together. Let me slide this to make sure I'm in frame. Okay, so we're just going to put these 2 together, and then I'm just going to glue them so that they will be 1 unit. And I'm going to use some Mod Podge. I need to get some clear Elmer's glue, because I've seen Kiki from let me move this over here so I don't get water on there. I've seen Kiki from Near Designs. She uses some glue and stuff, but the shiny glue that she uses, it doesn't leave like a shiny residue, you know what I mean? It doesn't leave like a shiny film behind. So I think I want to get some of that eventually. But for right now, I'm just going to use my Mod Podge. Oh, come on. Stay together now. All right. So I'm wanting to start using up my mediums so that they don't go bad. Which Mod Podge I use quite often, so I don't have to worry about them going bad. But some of my other stuff I haven't really used that much of. So my other mediums and things. And I do want to start putting some miles on them so that the shelf life doesn't go bad. So, all right, so we're going to glue this on here. This is going to merge the 2 pages together so we can have like a big collage. All right, and then I'm just going to randomly start adding the pages and stuff on here. And then we're going to be painting it. And I'm going to probably paint it like a solid white color. Only because I'm going to, I just want to see the different textures that it's going to create when I add all these strings and stuff like that on here. So we're going to see. I can't believe it's already August. Time has really, really, really flown by. I mean, golly. So have you guys done anything over the June or the summer break? Have you gone on vacation, done anything? I haven't done a single thing but just work. I'm kind of on a budget, so I have to kind of stay local. So, but I'm okay with that. As long as I can craft and do something, it's okay. I mean, so what do you guys do besides crafting? Do you fish? What are your other hobbies? I don't fish. I eat fish, but I don't fish. I'm trying to think of what do I do besides craft on my days off. Yeah, I don't have much of a life. I don't really do much of anything. I have basically a routine, and I'm kind of almost content with it. I do love traveling, but even if I can't, I'm okay. But I don't really do a whole lot of stuff. I do like stuff, but I just don't. And it doesn't really bother me. I don't know why, but it doesn't. But yeah, I like to know what you guys do. When you're not, if you're into crafts, but when you're not crafting, what do you do for fun during your leisure time? Let's see, let me get this one here. I think I got enough paint on there, or Mod Podge. Oh boy. I'm trying to think of stuff to talk about. I'm not a good conversationist. I'm really, really not, unless it's on a subject that I'm like very fond of, or unless I'm having issues, and then I can go on for days and vent. But I don't know. I don't really know what to talk about. All right, so let's get this paper on here. So do you guys have kids? And if you do, are they getting ready to go back to school and all that good old fun stuff? I'm glad I'm out of school. I wasn't. School is important. It's very important, but I'm glad I'm out. I didn't enjoy school a lot. It just wasn't my cup of tea. But we do obviously need it, so. But yeah, it's not my favorite subject in life. Alright, so we're going to get these papers. I'm probably going to, I'm not going to put a whole lot of papers on here. I'm actually going to go ahead and start adding some strings and fabric. Now, this is something I've never done. I don't think I have. I have used string because with the netting and stuff, when I did the Asylum journal cover, I did do that. So, oh, I should have used my, I was going to say I should have used my cheesecloth, but then that would have made it way too thick, because that netting, once it's dry, it's thick and very durable, and I like that. All right, so we're just going to randomly start putting some of these leftover strings on here. And it's going to be fun to see what kind of textures we can get when we paint it, you know. And I'm just going to put them wherever they go. And I'm even going to leave some of these other little stray pieces of paper that are stuck on here. I think I'm going to leave some of those on there too, including that little old whatever that is, clear plastic. Not sure what it is. And then we even have little strips of fabric. So we're going to see how well that does. It's going to take a while to dry. I'm probably going to have to let this dry overnight because I want to make sure that this is completely on here. Or I might try to dry some of it with the heating tool, and then I'll paint it because, and yeah, I might still just paint over top of it even while it still has the Mod Podge. Simply because, if I'm not mistaken, Mod Podge has, gesso has Mod Podge in it anyway, I think. So it's like a gluing agent. So, oh, come on. I want to spread it out a little bit. Yeah, without it being all twisted up in there. All right. All right. So that's my first session. So the second session, I'm going to finish putting this on, and then depending on whatever I get done, I might start adding on the acrylic gesso. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so that's the end of session 2, and now we're going to start session 3. Okay, even though this was only 5 minutes, I'm just going to go ahead and stop and let this be the 3 sessions. And then I'm going to let this dry completely overnight because I want to make sure that it's secure. So we'll reconvene on the next day. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos, blog, and social media sites. And as always, I thank you guys so much for watching.